AI is changing the game of motion design and animation faster than you can say keyframe. From stunting AI-driven ads to entire anime shots powered by these LLM models, this industry is changing like we have never imagined. But here is the twist. It's not the end of creativity. In fact, it's just the beginning of something extraordinary. So, whether you are sketching your next character or perfecting your motion graphics, let's grab your stylus, your mouse, or just your curiosity because this journey is going to be fun. Let's talk about the elephant or maybe the robot in the room, generative AI. Some people fear it and some embrace it. But one thing is clear, AI is here to stay. And if you are an aspiring animator or if you are already in this industry, the question isn't whether AI will affect you or not, it's how you can make it work for you. So let's start with some cool examples. Remember that controversial Coca-Cola Christmas ad that was all over social media? Yeah, the real magic with AI. Or that Netflix anime short film The Dog and Boy, which used generative AI models for in-between frames to speed up the production. And also that commercial from Toys R Us which used OpenAI's Sora. So these companies have already jumped on the AI bandwagon with ad campaigns that has stunning mix of generative visuals. So these examples shows something important. AI isn't here to take over the industry, but it's becoming a tool within it, just like After Effects, Blender or even Cinema 4D. But here is the thing, AI can't replace the spark of human creativity, it can't tell stories like we do, it doesn't have our humor, our emotions, or our unique perspective about the world. So it's like giving a painter a better brush, it's still the artist holding it that makes the magic happen. You know those tedious tasks in animation like rigging, rotoscoping, in-betweening frames or searching for the perfect royalty-free asset? AI can handle all of it now. We have tools like Runway and Luma Labs that can generate video assets at ease, and there is ToonCrafter that can generate interpolation frames for animation faster than ever. That means less time spent on boring and repetitive tasks and more time for what we actually love to do like storyboarding, designing, and animating with passion. Here is the deal. To thrive in an AI-infused world, you need to have a strong foundation. You need to master the animation principles like timings, quotient stretch, arcs, and all of those animation principles. So these are timeless. Whether you are animating in 1950s or you will be animating in 2030s, these principles are still applicable. So your creativity and the ability to bring life a character or a scene is what AI cannot replicate. And don't underestimate the power of your own eye for design. AI can suggest, but you decide. The better is your understanding for storytelling and design, the better you can guide those AI tools for creating something amazing. So right now, AI tools are evolving at breakneck speed. Tools like Minimax and Runway can generate mind-blowing 3D assets and simplifying video generation like never before. So these tools are your new teammate. Learn how to collaborate with them. And those who are wondering what happens when AI becomes smarter than us, well, in that case, let's just hope it doesn't make better jokes than I do. And until then, the future of animation is a mix of human creativity and AI efficiency. So we are not losing control, we are just leveling up. So what do you think? Are you excited to embrace AI in your creative journey? Do let me know in the comment section. And that is it for this video. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.